first step in making a key for this would be to locate the key blank that works correctly, right? Which Brian did. So the next step would be to take your very fine file that's only used for impressioning and turn this into a blade. Okay, so one direction usually. Be careful not to hit the shoulder with it. So you want to come away. I'm going one direction. I'm not going. I'm not sawing, right? I'm going one direction, and I'm trying not to hit all the grooves. I'm trying to evenly distribute it along the key blade. Okay. This takes a little while to do this. And then you go to the opposite side, one direction. Not the band. Alright. And then I'm going to show you the process of it. Now, if you need to do this a little bit, you can do that a little bit, like lightly, but then make sure you follow up with 3 or 4 brushes that direction, right? And I'm going to show you the blade up close in a second. And if you look at, I'm coming at an angle, see? No, not that way, coming at an angle. And this is called impressioning. And they look at the blade there, it's starting to become a razor blade basically, right? That's what I want it to be. It needs to be even, thin blade. And I want to be careful not to do this too much to where the top of the key starts going down, because then any one cuts are going to be bypassed and it's going to go too deep. Okay, so there we go. You're looking at that razor blade there, see it? Just fine tuning it. See that? Okay, now let me look at that. You need a little bit, usually at the shoulders where you need to finish up. So I'm just leaning a little bit on the shoulder. Right there. Okay. Perfect. Can you feel that with your finger?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so it's sharp. Okay. Now I'm looking for any imperfections on the blade, which I don't see any. So now, stick the key in there, right? Don't jiggle it up and down, any of that. You just want to go side to side, side to side, push in, side to side, side to side, right? Now, if you're gonna push up and down, you turn it and then just a little bit, just to make an indention on it, right? Back and forth, back and forth. Then I'm gonna take this out. Good, for a good example, there's a few clear marks on there. You see those dimples near the end of the key?
Yep.
You do? Okay, that's where the 2 of the wafers are hitting. Okay, so I don't know how many wafers are in this lock in particular. Where is my file at? The thin one. Okay. So this file here is made for impressioning, okay? So I want to be careful as I go like this, the thicker this goes, so the cut gets wider and wider, right? So I want to stay right here, you see? So I'm going to take this here, see the dimple there? Just a little bit. And then I can judge on the dimple on that key, and I can see where that next one is. Okay, got 2 divots. And then I'm looking around for any other marks. I don't see anything else. So I'm just going to touch up just a little bit to make it refresh and sharp. Okay. Oh, my bad. Back and forth, back and forth. Pull it back out. I'm looking for any little marking inside of the divot. So in this divot right here, I can see a mark that it needs to be a little deeper. So I'm going to take that a little deeper. Not too deep. I don't see a mark in that one anymore, which means I probably have it at the right depth. And I'm still not getting any other readings for any other wafers. Maybe on the tip of the key there I'm getting a small one, so to make sure I'm correct, I'm gonna make it a fine razor on the tip, just in case it wants to show me another mark. Okay.
Other way.
Other way. Back and forth. Bingo.
Nice.
Got it. And that's it.